In this tutorial, we'll pair the repeater with the central unit. On the central unit, go to the menu. Press and hold the icon until it jumps to the installation menu. Press RF Initialization. Go to Heating. Select a room. Now put the repeater into RF mode. Press the red button until the red-green light starts flashing. On the central unit, press RF Initialization. The light on the repeater will turn green, indicating that the repeater is correctly paired with the central unit. The central unit will give a notification, Repeat Configuration. You do not need to do this.